This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools. And this is an overview of how you can use Google Forms during remote learning to have students only submit correct answers. So if you're using Google Forms during remote learning for student check-in and quick and easy feedback, you do have some options. You can set a form that a student cannot submit it unless it is correct, which then takes out having to send them back to fix anything. So you would make your Google form, title your form here, have your question, and the key here is to have response validation. So maybe you have some answers here, or maybe you're going to do short answer. It's your choice. Short answer works really well for this. First step is you want to make sure it's a required question. And second step is you want to use these three dots here, response validation. You have some options in your drop down here of what the answer has to include in order for the student to submit, but you could say number, and you have some options in here too. And the key, so that way the student doesn't see the answer, is to have this custom error text written in. Try again. Now watch what happens when I go to take this. What is 3 plus 4? If I say 12, submit, try again. If I say 5, submit, try again. If I say 7, it's still going to say try again. So you will need to make sure you're clear with your directions on what the answer needs to include. This is a nice way to collect Google Forms and not have to worry about even having to look at them. They only get submitted if they're 100% correct. And that is how to use response validation with Google Forms. One way you can use it for remote learning. Thank you.